This video I will be discussing how to trade with moving averages, and this is the continuation of my earlier video on moving averages. So let's begin. So moving averages, if you have not watched my previous video on moving averages, please do watch so that you would have an idea about it if you are new to it. If you already know about moving averages, you can still watch it to get some inside tips. In this video, I'll be speaking about how you can trade and how you can use moving averages to make your trade plan. So basically, this is a website, charting website where I've already mentioned about crossovers, and the best way to trade with trade moving averages is through crossover. So if once you go to charting website, you can click on screeners here, and you go down on the right hand side, you will see crossover. So as you would see here, there is a crossover called EMA crossover 51326 scan, which you can use it, and this would give you 51326. So the stocks which have crossed the latest close 5 days moving average 13 and 26, which is a very incredibly bullish signal, and pick up these stocks. And for intraday, you can actually pick up these stocks. As I've told you earlier, for intraday and positional, you should have a different approach altogether, and that's the reason you should actually work it accordingly. Same way, you can actually work on another crossover, something like 20-day crossover. So 15-day or 15-day moving average, or this you can change it to 20 also, 20-day moving average, exponential moving average to 50, and the stocks which have crossed. Here the filter is for Nifty 50 stocks, which is very good. And if you click on cash, you will actually get all the cash segment stocks. If you click on futures, you will get futures, and there is only one stock here. So latest EMA has closed above the 15-day EMA has crossed above. I'm sorry, this is basically a bearish signal. As you can see, this is crossed below. That means this is a bearish signal. Whenever this is, if you say crossed above the latest, then this is an incredibly bullish signal. Again, this is an EOD chart, and if you are looking at this while watching this video, this will not help. You will have to run the scan on a live market or end of the day, and if you are running the scan end of the day, you have to make a trade plan for the next day based on this, some other parameters too. But in intraday, you can actually pick up the position. Again, this is for educational purposes. Please do not blindly go and make blind trades as such. I'm just trying to just guide you how you can actually use moving averages to make your trade plan, also take a trade. But this is just one part of it. There are multiple things. Now, moving averages, what is moving averages? It's important for you to understand, and also once you understand that, just check how this works. This does work. Generally, if there is a good momentum, so some of the stocks would work, some of the stocks may not work, because this could be a false crossover. It could have broken out, given you a breakout, and that might be a false breakout, and it will just go back and cross below immediately. So your stop loss should be this moving average, or in this case, this the line where it crossed the moving average. So basically, in this case, it should be 50-day moving average. So crossed above. So this 50-day moving average should be your stop loss whenever you're taking a trade, say, and vice versa. So that's the way. And there are other screeners also available here, which is completely free to use from charting website. Just remember that there will be a this is not an exactly real time. There would be a 6 minutes delay of the real time, but it is still 6 minutes delay would not make much of a difference for you when you're taking a day trade or even a positional trade. So this is the way you should actually use crossovers and also moving averages. Now there might be other ways of using moving averages too, but in this video I'm actually discussing only one of the ways and how you can actually get some free tools available from the website. If you have better ways of doing it, please feel free to comment. I'll be happy to take your feedback, and also the viewers of this video will also get benefited from that. So hope you enjoyed this informative video on it. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask. And also, I do have a free Telegram channel. You are welcome to join that, where I post live stock market updates, and very soon I will be posting um, uh, trade recommendations based on the strategies which I teach on my YouTube channel. So basically, if I would have spoken about ratio spreads, I can actually probably, from a live example, I will post it saying that this is a typical way how you can create a ratio spread and how you can create it. So in that way, you would understand that better. So so please do subscribe to my Telegram channel, which is completely free. So that's pretty much about this video here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.